Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel and the analysis for the coming week starting from May 17th to May 21st. And just to let you know, this is not a financial advice, but now the tide has definitely turned towards the bull case. What does it mean going forward? Uh, I am bullish as market has turned the corner. And if you are going to look at it, this is the band kind of I'm talking about for quite some time. That is the only thing resisted last week, last Friday rather. So of that band, it's going to be super bullish. Now, this is your line and expect it to hit sometime in a week or two, this 430 area in the SPY. Why? Because a 50 MA touch and bounce higher. This trend line, which was expected to be downtrend in the SPY, which we broke and came under, but then bounced right back, which is telling you that it has a lot of power. So as long as we are holding this line, it's bullish, which is 414.4 and above. I would say it's a BTD, which is buy the dip. And a couple of weeks, 430 is kind of I'm going to look at. So it's going to beat the all-time high. Let's remove this. Okay. So how and what I'm expecting? It could very well come back and test this line and then climb higher, or it can just start climbing higher. So this is what my indicators tells me. So I'm going to even remove this right now just for more clarity. So that is what you can expect. Qs. Qs is a little bit weaker still because the last drop what we broke down came back, and now I have a support line. So Qs can be bullish as well because most of the tech names are trying to climb higher. We might see a resistance around 330, 350 area, but yeah, it can break, can do, but if we go over this line, it'll be start climbing much higher. Even though we can see there's a resistance here, there's a resistance here, but if market turns its corner, expect it to go much higher, and could be 349 in next couple of weeks. Q can lead the way from 326 to 349. A couple of weeks will be a huge move. That's what I am expecting. Now what? Apple, another bull case. Another bull case. So we had this line which was broken and we were down. Now you can say your support line is going to look something like this. Your support line is going to look something like this. So as long as we are over this line, we are bullish. The bull case reasons are here. We are over 50 MA, EMA 21, we cross, moonshot, and maybe we will test this line at some point. Could be this one or this one, which is kind of slow up, but I would go with this one, which is going to climb higher because I'm thinking Q is going to hit 349 in a couple of weeks, which means Apple will go to 143 or even higher in that time frame. So everything looks bullish. Bear case scenario, we come back under 50 moving average and we start going down, but we have this support. Below this support, we are going to be bearish. But I might do a midweek update if I see any bear case develops, just for if you're following, you expect any changes on the downside. If it happens, I will put an update. But right now, this is the worst case scenario I am expecting, and this is the best case scenario I'm expecting. So that's your Apple, Amazon, and it's testing the 50 MA. What next is 21 EMA, which is 3275. Expect 3300, 3290, and over that 3341. My target next couple of weeks, I'm expecting it to go at least here 3480. And bear case, not really much, but again, you have to draw your trend lines, and below that, bear case is going to kick in. And we are not far off, but I think there is support here. There's support this line below that. We can start talking about bearish. And as I say, if I see anything drastically changing, I will put a midweek update. How about Microsoft? Microsoft is testing 50 MA support, went under, tested 50 MA, and now we are higher, which means 21 EMA, and it's going to moonshot, and it could very well go up to 260 in a couple of weeks. So expect huge move upcoming in the market. Facebook, bull everywhere. Didn't even test the 50 MA. Now we are over the 21 EMA. What it tells you, going to test the all-time high and break past. It will be moonshot to all the way to 352.94 in coming weeks. One of the most bullish, I would say. So if you want a target, there's only two targets I have. One is 332, and then all the way to 353. How about Disney, which I'm bullish because we have tested this base, bounced really high. Look at the volume area, which is telling you that, hey, a lot of buying has happened. So that means if the buyers are stepping in, they want it to go higher. And that means we are going to test this line, which is around 180, 385 area, depending on the day, because it's slanting down. So if it is taking long, it might be, lower price. If it is doing, but I'm expecting it to even break it and go past. Yes, here we have a bearish cross, which is not nice, but then, it turns, upside down and a flash, right? So look here, the huge volume area. Of course, volume is not exactly same as previously, but then, consolidated and went, higher. Here, you can expect consolidation. I'm not, because there are a lot of option flow is happening in that one. So that is telling me that it's just super, super, super bullish. Next one, I have Baba. And Baba still need to catch up a little bit, but I still expect, as market is going to be bullish, then we might see 229. I'm not going to trade Baba right now, but I will be updating later on if I see some nice activity on the Baba. So Baba has inside day right now, which means, it's kind of incubating that and trying to find the direction. So over this one, 213.2, super bullish. Below 206.29, I am bearish on the Baba. But overall, I am still bullish on the Baba. Long-term, Baba is a very good company and going to do pretty, pretty, pretty well. Next one is Boeing. And Boeing has made, if I see higher low, and let's assume if this is higher low, go past this, break this trend line, the Boeing is going to really start screaming towards this line. Right now, I would say this week we might test this line and get to this support around 238 to 239 area and break past. There is no stopping Boeing. Boeing is, if market keeps climbing higher, Boeing can see 293 in next 4 to 6 weeks. That's my projection for the Boeing. That is it, folks. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell icon so you get the notification. And, we'll talk to you next week. Have a wonderful trading week. Have a wonderful time with your friends and family. Thanks, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.